Hello everyone, hi, welcome back to my channel, and I really hope that you all are doing well. So in today's video I'm going to talk about scalp care, which almost we all neglect, and that led to a dry, itchy, flaky scalp, dandruff, product buildup, and finally hair fall. At this point of time we need to realize that shampoo and conditioner is not enough for our hair. We need something else to take care of our hair and scalp. In this video I'm going to give you all the information that you need to know about your scalp and how to take care of your scalp and why it is so important to take care of your scalp, and also I'm going to give you the solution as well. So no further ado, let's get into this video. So this video is partnership with Thriveco with their scalp care kit. Now why I partnered with them? Because I believe in the brand and their formulation, their product. Earlier as well I worked with them, and this is my second time. That tells a lot that I believe in their product. The brand is very amazing. Their approach to the product and their customer is very unique. I love how they approach every product and their consumer, and that drive me closer to the brand. This scalp care kit has two products. One is their exfoliating scrub and other one is their vitalizing serum. So this is the scrub. Packaging is very convenient and fuss free. It has 100 gram of product and it meant to be applied before shower, and as you can see the texture was very creamy. And this is the revitalizing serum. It has 50 ml glass bottle with a dropper, which makes it very easy to apply, and this is a everyday serum. So there is a little story about this product and my experience I wanted to tell you guys. So few days ago I struggled a lot with my scalp, and my scalp get really itchy and oily, and when I say itchy that means is severe. The problem is very severe, and I got very itchy scalp, and I started looking out for a product. And few days after, the brand approached me to try out this product, and I knew that this product gonna really work for me. And for the first use of this product I get rid of the itchiness. Believe me guys, this product really works, and I am so relieved. And that was my experience. Now let's talk about the product and the application. So the first step is this exfoliating scrub. Now we all know that how exfoliating do to our skin. We get so much beautiful, and all the dead skin cell can get rid of by the exfoliation. So now it's time for our scalp. We all do so much exfoliating for our skin. Now it's time for our scalp, and let's do this. Take adequate amount of this scrub and massage gently all over your scalp and let it sit for 10 minutes, and then wash it off with clean water and with your favorite shampoo. Now this 10 minutes can do wonder for your scalp. Let me show you the application of this scrub. You can use this scrub 2 to 3 times in a week. Take out a little by little of the scrub and apply onto the scalp and gently massage by your fingertips. The product is so creamy that it spreads up so easily and take few minutes to apply. Part your hair section by section and apply all over your scalp. The scrub will make sure that there is no dead cells and dirt and oil, anything like that. It will remove everything from your scalp. That's how you can keep your scalp healthy and clean. And if your scalp is healthy and clean, that's how you can get better hair growth and you will have no hair fall. After finishing off the application, wait for 10 minutes and then wash it off with your favorite shampoo. In that 10 minutes it's going to do its magic, and it can get rid of all your dryness, itchiness, flakiness, all the product buildup from your scalp, and you will love how your scalp feel. And that was amazing. The next step is this scalp vitalizing serum. Now this is a beautiful product, and you can use this serum on damp scalp and dry scalp as well. And this is a leave-in serum you can use every day, any day.
The dropper makes it very easy for application. Just part your hair and apply the serum onto your scalp. Then massage it gently. It will absorb. And the serum is very non-oily. It almost feel like water and absorbed really quickly onto the scalp.
It takes few minutes to soak up and you can style your hair as usual. Now let's talk about ingredients that we all need to know about. The scrub has AHA, BHA and PHA blend which offers relief from dry, flaky, itchy scalp and remove dead cells and build up while rejuvenating the scalp for better production of hair growth. It has also orange peel oil which is a great source for vitamin B12 and vitamin E which helps to better hair production and growth. While the Scalp Vitalizing Serum has hyaluronic acid which provides the most beautiful hydration and moisturization to the scalp as it locks the content of moisturizer intact in the scalp for better scalp health. The serum also contains copper peptide which has the ability to penetrate deeper layer into the scalp and boosting the collagen level, and peptide also stimulate the hair follicle so that it get adequate amount of oxygen and nutrients so that it can boost the hair growth. I love this product. Just try out this product. They are amazing. Just try them and let me know in the comments down below what you think about this product. They are amazing. I know you will love it and I have a special discount code for you guys. Check the description box. You can get 20% discount on this product and there is a link down below where you can purchase this product. And I hope that you all like this product and try out this product. These babies are amazing. I am sweating a lot. So that's all for today's video. I'm going to see you all in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.